रोड सेफ्टी मिटिंग्स दिले आणि तितून डिवायस ट्रॅफिक RTOs NGOs हेल्थ PWDs हे आसले आणि various issues which are faced regarding the road safety has been discussed and direction has been given to the concerned department to rectify the loopholes.
There was an issue of parking in Margao and other areas, city areas. Like there are notified no parking areas, but still people tend to park on the certain lanes and also. What was the discussion about it?
We will issue a direction to the local bodies wherein they are giving the occupancies and all.
I'm Lorna Fernandez from Goa Camp. आज आमची हिंगा साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड सेफ्टी कमिटीची मिटींग आशिल्ली सदां म्हयन्याक जाता थर्ड फ्रायडेचेर. तर आजच्या मिटिंगेक फक्त रिव्ह्यू घेतले, लास्ट मिटिंगेक कितें डिस्कशन जालें तें आनी मेन पॉयंट्स म्हळ्यार येयले ते रोड वायडनींग कितें आशिल्ले ते तेजे वॉट यू कॉल इट स्टेटस रिपोर्ट घाल म्हणून सांगले. 3 कडेन हांवें कंप्लेन केल्ली की रस्ते वायडन केल्या पूण इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पोल रोडाच्या थंयच आशिल्ले म्हूण ते मूव कर म्हूण सांगलेलें. तेमी आतां रिपोर्ट दिल्या की ते जालें म्हणून. एक जागो आसलो मारगांव ओल्ड सर्कल टू कोलवा, थंय पोल्स मदें रस्त्यार आशिल्ले आनी एक फ्रॉम गुडी टू केपें, that was one area, and one area was from Urli to Chinchini. So all three have been now, the poles have removed and they are back on the side of the roads. So that was one point that I had raised. Another point that has come up today was about stray cattle. In the last meeting it was reported that we have signed MOUs with the municipalities and this issue should be closed. But I said nothing new. Until today there are stray cattle on the road. So what is written in that MOU we want to know. So we have asked them to place a copy of the MOU here in the meeting so we can have a look, because the local bodies are supposed to take action but they are not taking action. So we need to know exactly what is in this. The Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services cannot wash off their hands by saying that we have an MOU, right? Then also about the trimming of the trees on the side of the road. So the PWD is going about it, taking action, especially in the monsoon region, in the monsoon season. Also, I raised the question about there is a big pothole in front of the KTC bus stand to the entrance of the KTC bus stand. So PWD has been asked, PWD 6 apparently is the department, because it's a main road. It's a road, a village road going from KTC bus stand to Fatorta. So they have KTCL has put some stones in that pothole, but that needs to be looked at patching up very quickly. They have written to the PWD also, but I have said that a copy of this minute should go to them so that can be rectified immediately. Also, we have children's road safety committees. Of course, they are supposed to be in each school, but there's also a district committee, to look at the children traveling in the buses or in the bal raths or in the private vehicles or whatever. Are they being transported safely? So again, this committee has not met, even though they're supposed to meet 6 monthly. So I brought that on record that they should meet. They met last year apparently.
What must be the reason behind this? That collectors neglecting certain committees or not attending a program?
I don't know the reason. We'll have to ask the collector himself. Maybe the member secretary has to put up the file to say, hold the meeting. I don't know the reason.
Isn't it shows that they are not very much serious about these committees and when they should be actually?
It is a serious matter and they should take it seriously, So I brought it up today because we have not heard that the meeting had taken place, but the member secretary was in attendance today and he said that he's moving the file and they had met last year. So, maybe that will be taken up. There is another committee on accidents that take place on hit and run. And the compensation for that person who has been affected with hit and run. Because there is nobody, you cannot go after an insurance company of the person who created that accident. So the collector, under the collector and the insurance companies, there's supposed to be a committee. And again, the member secretary is the ADT enforcement from Transport Department. And he just said he has moved that file for that committee to kind of start functioning. So let us see what happens with that committee. Another thing is that there was a notification some time ago, maybe in 22, that all the accidents that happen have to be analyzed and placed on record. And the committees were formed like police station wise. So all the police stations of South Goa have this committee with a junior engineer, the health department and things, and they're supposed to analyze especially all the fatal accidents, you know. But this committee also has never functioned, and every time I'm raising it, what has happened, what is happening. So now we have made the SP. The SP was never part of this committee. So we had moved to make the office of the SP to be part of this committee, so we can follow up with them as to what is happening with this committee.
During this road safety meeting, has an issue of roadside vendors come up? Because
Yes.
most of the areas in cities are
Yeah.
also in rural areas, most of the vendors are sitting next
on
to
the roadside.
Yes.
Yes, this issue has come up several times. I had asked the collector to call a special meeting of the Directorate of Panchayats and Directorate of Municipality. But when I raised this question, we received because the police was saying, you know, that we are going and chalaning people for parking on the road or for vending or whatever. But with parking on the road, you know, the huge shops are being opened and there is no parking. So they were like saying that the local body is like the municipality is responsible for giving trade license, so they shouldn't be giving trade license. But the DMA put on record a letter to say that if the TCP passes a building which has shops, then the local body has no jurisdiction not issue trade license. So we had said to take up this issue and, you know, call a special meeting with regards to TCP, the DMA and Directorate of Panchayat, so this issue can be sorted out.
What about the
So it's,
hawkers and all who sits
that
on the
also
roadside?
it will come under, no, minus the TCP, that would come under the local bodies itself, you know. They say that there is not a particular, some places there is only so much shoulder of the road, like say 2 meters, some places 1 meter. But whatever we said, you have to monitor that. So you hire your vehicles to patrol the highways and check. Village roads, the local bodies will have to do it. Thank you.